Back at Medtrade 2025, we're going to share some of the exciting new products that are on display. Some of these products are releasing the week of the show, some will be releasing in the next few months, and some are still just in the prototype stage. So let's take a look around. We'll start at the Golden Technologies booth. If you follow our channel, you will know how much we love Golden. They make many great scooters and power chairs, including rugged outdoor scooters like this one. With mobility devices of all sizes and designs, they make something for everyone, including the GP130, one of our favorite. Golden is on the cutting edge of design, offering products for everyone, including the all-new Carry-On HD2 20A, the first 400-pound capacity, fold-down, travel scooter. We already have a video up on our channel going over the GB2 20A, in which we discuss all the specs and changes from the original Carry-On GB120. So if you want to see that video, head over to our channel or simply follow the link in the description below.
The Buzz LT looks like it's getting upgraded with some lights on the side, a better seat with a mesh back. Check out the front on this.
Check out this awesome new prototype. There's no guarantee if or when this exact model will release, but it was popular at the show.
Reversing. Please speak reversing. Please be cautious.
You'll be able to turn that off.
You want the lever to move.
And this is why.
Okay.
How cool is that design?
I like that.
Right here.
Really big.
That's cool.
That's with the battery?
And they not only make mobility devices and lift chairs, they also make beds. Moving on, let's go check out the Tesla of mobility devices. This is the Whill booth. With features like their innovative frames and suspension and their omni-wheel design, Whill produces some of the most technologically advanced products on the market. For example, check this out, she is able to control the chair with her cell phone. You can also adjust all of the speed settings from the app. Now for the device we are really excited about, the new 4-wheel Whill scooter. Whill's had a 3-wheeled version out for a while. This is the new 4-wheeled version. And despite being 4-wheeled, it may have a tighter turning radius than any 3-wheeled scooter out there.
Let's ask the goats of YouTube. What do you think about this? Do you like it?
What do we think about that?
Seriously, I love it.
Back inside at the Harmar booth. Harmar makes some of the best vehicle mobility lifts on the market. Here they are displaying their rear camera option available for their lifts. Last but not least, we are going to check out the Pride Baja booth. Baja is the rugged outdoor line, and Pride, well, they need no introduction.
The Victory Platinum. This will be American-made scooter. I think they're making it in Mississippi. It's got some cool new features. The Platinum edition. Adjustable tiller, much needed.
It may not turn as sharp as the Wheel, but with the iTurn technology by Pride, this scooter has a nice turning radius.
Probably turn a little bit better than this rug, but that thing's pretty sweet for a big 4-wheel scooter. This thing also disassembles and comes apart, so it's basically like the Victory 10, but now it's the Platinum version. It's upgraded and made in the United States. Seems like the wheels are a little bit fatter on them.
Yeah, it does.
Still a 10-inch wheel, but nice outdoor scooter that can disassemble for travel. Not something you're going to run and travel on airlines and stuff, but like getting it in and out your car, if you can handle it, or if you have an AL100 lift by Harmar, this would go right on it. Pretty nice scooter.
I think generally that.
And here's the new Baja Bandit. It's looking nice.
Oh, this is new.
This is the Premier by Viva Lift.
Like a couple of the improvements on the Ultra that changed, they recessed that panel, and I know they did a improvement on the air pump.
Yeah.
But with this, it has all of those features, plus coil pocketed springs in the seat, magnetic hand control coming up through the sides.
Both sides.
On both sides.
Yeah, sweet.
So they took the USB out of the hand control. And so they added it in there. So you have USB-A, USB-C. The wireless charger is the upgraded wireless charger. So it's actually a faster charge.
Yep.
Self-level cup holder. But this is also, that's medium, so that's like an FM modulator. It'll connect Bluetooth to your phone, to TV, and play through the chair itself.
This is probably the game day chair because you're gonna have speakers, you're gonna hear music.
Oh yeah. So
And probably the bass and stuff too.
there is 1, 2, 3.
So your wife can't get mad at you if you're blaring some music. It's right all here. It's pretty legit. And what's really cool about this chair, it has tilt, so it gets your feet above your heart. It's got a massage feature that's really hydrating your back, so it's going to push your back out, suck back in, push it out, suck it back in. You could actually take this chair if you have bad back, you can turn this. The massage feature has a little bit of a needle effect, but what I like a lot is the lumbar out and in. You can flip this almost upside down and pull your back, stretch it out, and I'm telling you, it will hydrate your disc, get that nerve moved around a little bit, and it's yeah, this is a nice chair, guys. Look out, watch the tilt. This is feet above the heart, circulation issues, rejuvenate your body in a way. This is what the purpose of this is for. And then again, if you do want to stretch your back out some more, just bring it back. This massage is pushing my back, it's pushing me out and in. So it's like a hydro pump.
Well, that's it for Medtrade 2025. We do hope you enjoyed our videos from this series.
You mic'd up?
Yeah,
Come on.
I swear.
What kind of rookie do I look like here?
If you want some good content, they got it. If you want true reviews, visit me.
Make sure to come back to our shop videos where we do full unboxings and much more. So like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.
And then you can do that on the fly. So if you're out and about and you're on a trail and you're going and there's a really rocky patch, you can flip right back into joystick, go over the rocky patch, and then go back in your preferred riding style right after that. We have the stabilizing legs that come down, so I'm going to demonstrate those right now. So with one push, 4 stabilizing legs come down independently. So if you're even on an uneven surface, they come down and they can still stop you. We do have 30 miles on a single charge, so you're going out all day and a little bit more with a top speed of 12.5. So you can actually limit that down with the key fob. So it has a key fob that turns it on and off, and you can actually program it for different speeds. Like when you're training someone, you can program it a little lower until they get used to it. We have this feature on the Omeo itself, which is an assisted riding mode. So you actually don't need a rider in it. If you have a ramp system available in your vehicle, you can press this button 5 times. Brings the legs up, but it also activates the Omeo itself. So you get it aligned with your ramp system, and easily as 2 fingers, you can self-propel itself up.